Okay, hi. This is the second week. I just come back from the group discussion, and then I'm told to do this individual video, and I want to. And I've been given asking what have I done so far. Okay, so basically last week we mentioned the group mentioned the topic, which is the university life. Yeah, university life. And then me and my group mates, which is Amiru, and then we were told to be, because as I mentioned last week before, I'm in the course of landscape architecture. So they appointed me and Amiru, because Amiru is same college with me, so both of us have to do the chemistry. Have to draw the chemistry. Yeah, basically the chemistry is with Amiru. We have outlined the ideas, and it's about a guy, a student that waiting and go to take a bus, waiting for the bus, and then the bus is full. It's like our normal life, because normally in UPM, our college only have one trip of bus per half an hour. So if all of us, like during the first last meeting, all of us went for the KAA, and then only one bus coming to fetch us, and then it's impossible for us to get into the bus. That's why some of us walk back or wait for the next time, which is another half an hour. So this is very like, this is quite troubling us, because it's wasting time, wasting our energy, and then that's why we decided to use that idea to put inside our comic strip. So we do it. I still, if I'm not mistaken, we do it in six box comic, and then throughout it's very hard for me to draw the comic strip, because I'm taking the design course, but we didn't learn anything about comic. Basically, we learn about buildings, trees, shrubs, just anything beside comic. You don't learn about portrait. You don't learn about cartoon. Don't learn about graphic or anything. That's why it's actually quite hard for me to do the comic strip, and then, but I have reviewed some of others group work, and I think maybe it's not that hard. Just putting the idea, just drawing out your idea inside the box and add some dialogues, and then I have some reference in Google, and then I think it's actually not that hard. And me and Amiru, we discuss at a cafe of college, and using about, if I'm not mistaken, about an hour or 2 hour, and then we do the comic, we draw it out, and then I share with my group mates now, and they said some point we need to make a, we was going to use computer, but I don't have that skill yet, so maybe we'll stick to humor hand drawing, and the group mates, they all agreed of our ideas, and then we bolden the lines to make it more like dynamic, make it more like a real comic, and then we will hand it over. And then I want to say something, which is, I have done a comic. I have discussed with all our roommates during this discussion, and the discussions is very good. It goes very very well, because actually this is our second meeting, but it's still very, I think we have already might have a point that we know what we should do. We discuss that kind of sort of thing, and then we communicate in English. That is most importantly, because normally in university we won't use English that much. We only use our first language. That's why I really appreciate every week's meeting, because I can learn to speak English, I can communicate, I can overcome problems, I can do everything in English. So I think, yep, commentary is what I've done for these 2 weeks, and then we'll move on to next week, and then we'll see what I have been appointed. I think that's all for this week. Thank you.